This single storyboard image was all it took to create this entire animated sequence. No jumping between random shots, no characters changing faces every few seconds, no starting over from scratch. Just one well-designed storyboard fed into the right workflow, and the AI takes care of the rest. Now, here's the interesting part. Most creators are already making storyboard sheets like this, but almost everyone skips one critical step in the middle of the process. And that single step is all that matters. The moment I figured out that missing piece, everything changed. Characters stayed consistent across every shot. Transitions became smoother. The camera flow felt natural, and the final animation looked far more cinematic. So in this video, I'm going to show you the complete workflow from start to finish. From creating a professional storyboard, running the consistency pass that almost nobody talks about, and then turning it into a seamless multi-shot animation using AI. Whether you're creating animated short films, commercials, cinematic sequences, YouTube videos, or social media content, this workflow works for all of them. And if you stay until the end, I'll also give you my personal storyboard grid template and the exact prompt sheet I use, so you can recreate this entire workflow without spending weeks figuring it out yourself. Above all, I'll also reveal a free way to access Seedance 2.0 for unlimited generation without spending a single dollar. Alright, let's get started. Before we jump into the workflow, let me quickly explain why most AI animations don't look consistent. The reason is surprisingly simple. Most creators generate every shot separately. One image becomes one video clip. Then they create another image, another clip, and repeat that process until the animation is finished. The problem is that every new image is generated from scratch. Even if you use the exact same prompt, the AI keeps making small changes. The character's face shifts. The clothing changes. By the end of the animation, it feels like every shot belongs to a different film. This is the biggest reason AI animations look inconsistent. The solution isn't better prompts. It's changing the workflow. Instead of generating random shots one by one, we first build a complete storyboard and use that as the foundation for the entire animation. That's exactly what I'm going to show you. Now that we understand the workflow, it's time to create our storyboard. But before we do that, there's one very important step we can't skip. We need to make sure every character in our story stays consistent from the first scene to the last. And the best way to do that is by creating a proper character sheet. To make this process easy, I've already created a master prompt that takes your story as input, analyzes all the characters, and automatically generates detailed character sheet prompts for each one. Simply copy the prompt and open a new ChatGPT chat. The prompt will ask for two things. First, your story, and second, the visual style. For this example, our story follows a young boy named Zach, a cute blue baby dragon, and a robotic toaster on a fun little adventure. For the visual style, we'll choose Pixar-style 3D. Now, click Generate. ChatGPT will analyze the story and create separate character sheet prompts for every character that appears in it. Next, copy the first character prompt and paste it into a new ChatGPT chat. Within a few moments, you'll get a professional multi-angle character sheet showing the character from different views. This becomes the reference that keeps your character consistent throughout the entire animation. Now repeat the same process for the remaining characters. In my case, the toaster robot wasn't exactly what I had in mind. So I uploaded a reference image and asked ChatGPT to take inspiration from it. I wanted something closer to the iconic Wall-E style while still creating an original character that fit our story. After regenerating the prompt, ChatGPT produced a much better character sheet that perfectly matched the look I was going for. With all of our character sheets complete, we're finally ready to move on to the storyboard itself. Now, let's generate our storyboard. Head back to the prompt file and copy the second prompt. Open a new ChatGPT chat and paste the prompt, along with the 3 character sheet images we just created. Just like in the previous step, the prompt will ask for 2 things: your story and the visual style. Paste your story. Select the same visual style, in our case, Pixar-style 3D, and then click Generate. Within a few moments, ChatGPT will create a complete storyboard that covers your entire animation while keeping every character and scene visually consistent. And that's it. Our storyboard is ready. Now it's time to bring it to life using Seedance 2.0. Later in this video, I'll also show you how to access Seedance 2.0 for free, so make sure you stick around. For this demonstration, I'll be using the CapCut website. Once you open the site, click Create with AI, choose the video model, set your preferred aspect ratio and video length, and then upload your storyboard image. Now head back to the prompt file one last time and copy the third prompt. Paste it into the prompt box and click Generate. Within a few moments, Seedance 2.0 will transform your single storyboard image into a smooth, fully animated multi-shot video, with all the scenes connected seamlessly. And using the same workflow, I also created this animated sequence. Here's the final result on your screen. As you can see, the characters remain consistent, the transitions flow naturally, and the entire animation feels like one continuous sequence rather than a collection of random AI-generated clips. That's the real advantage of starting with a storyboard instead of generating each shot independently. It gives your animation a much more professional, cinematic look while keeping every scene visually consistent. Now, let's use Seedance 2.0 for free to bring our storyboard to life. For this example, we'll use Dola AI, which provides access to Seedance through its platform. Once you've signed in, upload your storyboard image, choose your preferred aspect ratio, paste the animation prompt, and click Generate. The generation starts almost immediately, and after a short wait, your animated video will be ready.
Hey, that's my breakfast! Mine now!
As you can see, the quality is excellent, with smooth camera movement, consistent scenes, and cinematic motion throughout the animation. If you need additional unlimited generations, I've already created a dedicated tutorial that covers the complete setup process and explains how to get started with Seedance 2.0